Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see latest updates regarding to Just Dial. Friends, few of our subscribers asking about Just Dial recent fall. Friends, with the newses and a new entity they entered gives boost for Just Dial share price. Friends, 3 weeks back, HDFC Mutual Fund sold nearly 2.73% stake in Just Dial over 108 crores. The date is Feb 26, 2021. On that day, they sold at a price of 639. So after that, next few within few days, they announced they are entering into JD Mart to connect bulk buyers with wholesale sellers across products categories within next day itself. And on the day also the news came out, and the company reported a net profit of 47 crores with 242 crores as operating revenue. So going forward, India Mart accused Just Dial of infringing on its intellectual property rights by launching JD Mart. So friends, we are seeing that already India Mart having this type of business and it's successfully running, and it is getting good deals and revenue also. So at the same time, Just Dial also launched its B2B e-commerce platform JD Mart to take on Udaan and India Mart. But what is the main advantage for JD Mart? JD Mart is Just Dial number is the one which has its customer base and its platform across the India. So friends, going forward we can see a good revenue generation, but the falling market giving somewhat pressure for Just Dial share, and it recently touched like 700 800 and I think just wait, 783 as a low on Friday. After recovery market, it hits 10% upper circuit. But friends, whoever entered at 990s, it will take some time to reach that value. Why? Because rising COVID cases are giving a selling pressure of profit booking who entered at lower levels of 400. Why? Because minimum to minimum 5-6 months it traded around 400 levels, and 300 levels. Next is 600 level. It's suddenly gone out on January to 600 levels, and next we seen 1000 level. So it has some selling pressure after profit booking due to rising COVID cases. They will think that the share fall again. So friends, I am expecting entering at 700 is the good opportunity for Just Dial in market corrections, and whoever entered at higher values, if you have capital, just wait and add at bottom values. So friends, it has a future, but you can wait. We can wait, it will give good returns on going forward. But retail investors may exit and enter again is the best option in my view. And Tata Digital also in initial talks with Just Dial for e-commerce play. This is the news which floated around on March 8, 2021. That also given some movement for Just Dial to hit upper circuit on that day. And next thing is IPL match digital ads. Just Dial signs advertising agreement with Star India for IPL. Share price jumped 6% on the day when the deal taken. So these are four areas which get the price movement which crosses 1000 rupees recently. But friends, I am expecting with further fall we can add Just Dial, no problem. But who are at higher values, I am expecting don't bother. But retail investors has some concerns if it falls at 700. But I am thinking friends, it will push back definitely with upper circuits to your values. But entering at lower values will give you more revenue generation, comparing with higher upper values holding. So exiting tomorrow, or if it enters at 1000 levels, or exiting and after falling, you can add. This completely as a investor your choice. If you have faith in forward and future perspective of this company, we can hold that shares, and recent falls will not bother about you who are holding for a longer perspective in their mind about the company. So single share worth about the company's business. It's not a one share losing 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. You are having a share in a company which meant so much, friends. As a retail investors, we don't know the value of a share in a company, on a growing company. So I am telling that Just Dial has a inner capacity, and it doesn't have any debit also, friends. So going forward, what we have to see is with low as no debit, which is having a growth potential company, we can have, or we can add on dips is gives you much revenue generation going forward. So friends who are willing to add a Just Dial share at lower values is the best option, and who are holding at higher values also, no problem, it will reach that prices with short times. When market recovers, it will recover definitely, and that this is the proof. Last Friday it again hits upper circuit, and if market gives some positive, it will hit another upper circuit, and you will get your value like with the single upper circuit it adding 82 rupees, and 1000 rupees is near it. So after profit bookings only, it went to 780 in that prices on Friday, lower value. So in my view, Just Dial is a particular stock which will be give good valuation in future. So friends, this is my view on Just Dial, and take your call, and you are the owner of your portfolio. So friends, what I am going to say is, when everyone buying, we have to sell. When everyone selling, we have to buy. That's the common rule, and where we are entering is the main important thing in share market. So friends, thank you very much. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends.